Okay, so now we continue to the second part of the first questions. Okay, I already discussed for the first part in the previous video. Okay, so now we are going to discuss the second part. Okay, which is we are going to solve the first order differential equations using transformation. Okay, we substitute y with x v. Okay. Okay, so we have 1 over y prime equals to x squared plus y squared divided by 2 xy squared. And we're going to use this, okay, y equals to x b. Okay, so b, okay, so we have 1 over y prime equals to x squared plus y squared divided by 2xy squared. Okay, first we have to rearrange, okay, these equations so that this side we just have a y prime. Okay, y prime is actually dy over dx. Okay, so we move this y to this side. So what happened is we have y prime equals to, okay, so we have x squared plus y squared divided by 2xy squared times with y. Okay, okay, if we times this with y, so this will cancel, this will be y only. Okay, 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 so now, okay, we simplify this one, so it will be x squared plus y squared divided by 2xy. Okay, 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 now we have to prove that this equation is homogeneous. Okay, so how we are going to prove is we are using this one f. Okay, we have a lambda x, lambda y. Okay, so equals to lambda x square plus lambda y square divided by 2 lambda x lambda y. Okay, so what do we have here is we have lambda square. This one lambda square, lambda times lambda is lambda square. Okay, so this one is actually equals to f x y. So this equation is homogeneous. Okay, with degree 2 because lambda square. So this is a degree 2. Okay. Okay, then we already proved that this one is homogeneous. We can use this transformation y equals to xv. Okay, so y equals to xv, and then your dy over dx is actually equals to x dv over dx plus v. Okay, so go up. Okay, so this is our equations. Y prime equals to x squared plus y squared divided by 2xy. Okay, so we have here is y prime equals to x squared plus y squared divided by 2xy. And we know that y prime is dy over dx. So we just put this, okay, we replace with this y prime. Okay, okay, so now we have x dv over dx plus v equals to, okay, so this one we have x squared plus y squared divided by 2xy, and we have to use this, we have to replace y with this. Okay, so this one replace to y. Okay, so what do we have here is x squared plus Okay, y is xv square divided by 2, sorry, 2x times with xv. Okay, so equals to x square plus x square v square divided by 2x square v. Okay, and we can, this one we can factor the x square, so square 1 plus v square divided by 2x square v. Okay, this one cancel, so now we have 1 plus v square divided by 2v. Okay, so this one is here x dv over dx plus v. Okay, so next we bring v to this side. Okay, so it will be x dv over dx equals to 1 plus v square divided by 2v minus v. Okay, so minus v, which means you minus v. So it's actually equals to 1 plus v square, this one, 2v. So v minus v times 2v. Okay, so you have 1 plus v square minus 2v square divided by 2v. Okay, and this v square, so we can simplify this one. 1 minus v square divided by 2v. Okay, so this one is actually x dv over dx. Okay. Okay, now we can separate the variable. Okay, so you can separate v to one side and x to one side. Okay, so what do we have is, okay, so we have 2v over 1 minus v square dv equals to 1 over x dx. Okay, so now we can make a, because we separate the variable, okay, now we can integrate both sides. So you integrate this side and this side. Okay, so for this side, you have to use a u equals to, okay, kaedah gantian. Okay, so this part, you have to use kaedah gantian, which is, okay, u equals to 1 minus 2v square, sorry, 1 minus v square, okay, and du over dv is equals to minus 2v, okay, or du equals to minus 2v dv, okay, and then we replace here, okay. So if we replace here, what do we have here is, this one is u, okay, so 1 over u, 2v, okay, this one will be minus, right? So you will have minus, this one is 2v dv is du, okay, so you have minus 1 over u, okay, 1 over u du, okay. This one equals to 1 over x dx, okay. Okay, so if you integrate this one, you will get minus ln u, okay, plus c, and this one also ln x plus c to c1. Okay, so, okay, you replace back u. What is u? U is 1 minus v square, okay, so now we have minus ln 1 minus v square equals to ln x plus c, where c equals to c2 minus c1. Okay. Okay. Okay, then we want to remove the ln. So what we need to do is we have to exponent both sides. Okay, so you have a exponent minus, okay, you have an exponent minus ln 1 minus b square equals to exponent ln x exponent c. Okay, okay, then this one is actually, if minus here, then exponent ln, okay, 1 minus b square power of minus 1 equals to exponent ln x exponent c. Okay, so this one will be 1 minus b square minus 1 equals to x c. Okay, and this one minus 1 is actually 1 over 1 minus b square equals to c x. Okay, okay, so we have v, so we have to replace back. Okay, just now y equals to xv and v equals to y over x. Okay, we replace back this one to this. Okay, so what do we have here is 1 over 1 minus y over x square equals to cx. Okay, and okay, you can play around with this one. Okay, so that we can get y. Okay, we can get the y equations. Okay, so now we have a cx. Sorry. Okay, this c going to this side and this one going to this side. So you have 1 over cx, okay, equals to 1 minus y over x square. Okay, or equals to 1 minus y square divided by x square. Okay. Okay. So you just play around with this one. Okay. So this one, what do we have here is 1 over cx equals to x square minus y square, right? Okay. And x you bring to this side. Okay. So now you have x square divided by cx equals to x square minus y square. This one cancel. Okay. So now you have okay. I just swap this one. Okay. If you swap this one, okay, no need. Okay. So this one you will get x square minus y square equals to x over c. Okay. Okay. Then okay, minus y square equals to x over y minus x square. Okay. Okay. Then minus y square equals to this one is c. Okay. So x minus x square. Okay, sorry. Okay. So this one will be x over c minus x square. Okay. And then this minus, okay, y square equals to x square minus x over c. Okay, so c is actually 1 over c. Okay, so what do we have here is x square minus c x. Okay, so y equals to square root x square minus c x. Okay, so this will be your answer. Okay, y equals to square root x square minus cx.